Hey best friend, how are you doing today? Let me know in the comments. This is my go-to lazy girl method for doing Frenchies. I'm applying a glittery jelly nude polish as the base, and I love to use this polish, so I'm gonna link it. I basically just color in the free edge of the nail, which is the part without skin underneath it, and I make the smile line where my free edge starts, and that's where my natural smile line would be without product on top of it. And I'm able to do this because I used a jelly nude base that I can see through. If you're gonna do the lazy girl method, you have to be able to see through your nails a little bit. And if you're gonna apply nude, it's only like a tint. And I feel like that can be like a good way to start doing nail art. Like if you're new to it, that's a good way to get used to making lines, I guess. I also wanted to mention that I'm covering the edges and the tip of the nail with paint. And I always do this with almond nails because it looks a lot nicer when I do. I don't paint the tip of the nail if it's a square shape because it could create an unwanted shape towards the tip of the nail, but I still make sure the sides are painted completely. And I'm using a liner brush to do all the Frenchies, but it's not necessary for the lazy girl method. I could have used a brush with shorter bristles, and that would have been easier. If I wasn't using this method and I wanted deep Frenchies, a liner brush would make it easier to do that. A liner brush is also a good brush to use when I make any type of design that is just straight lines. I'm patting down my brush with a little bit of acetone on it when I'm touching up the smile line here. If I swiped my brush, I could smear the white lines across the smile line, and that wasn't the look that I was going for. that I would do differently is the curved half circle line within the bow. I would make it bigger because it got covered up by the rhinestone I used, and it was like the smallest size I had for rhinestones. I'm using a dotting tool to pick up some rhinestone glue. It's actually builder gel, but I use it to glue stuff on. I added the top coat after I glued the bow down because I really wanted to seal it in. I had a set before this one and I had bows and they just came right off my nail. I tried to glue them back down, didn't work. But this time, this lasted. I cured her face before I did her ears because it would be easier to wipe off the ears if they didn't look right without ruining the shape of her face. For the second coat, I cured both at the same time so that there would be no obvious distinction between her face and ears. If you're struggling with your nail art and you keep doing the same line over and over and over again, that's practice. So don't give up on your nail art. Just keep going because you'll get there. You're gonna get the results you want if you don't give up. And you're gonna get the skill if you don't give up. So don't give up. This set took me days. One hand took 3 days, but that's because I was doing it with my non-dominant hand. Yeah, it took me forever, but I didn't give up because I wanted Hello Kitty. I was struggling with some of the nail art for her, and I just took it piece by piece. Like how I was doing her body, I just did the outside of it, like the left and right side, and then I worried about the bottom half later so I can try to get the right shape. Or sometimes what helps me is eating food, because I can just go a whole day not eating food and just doing nail art. And sleep can help too. Sometimes I stay up late to get a set done, but you might be able to get some better lines or whatever after you get some rest. I struggled at this part too. This part was hard. I got the right side of the bow a little bit wider and the left side was more pushed in, you know? For the right side, I was trying to put the line on the red part of the bow so that it can shrink down size a little bit. And on the left side, I put the line right up against the red part of the bow, but I didn't put it on the bow. That's what I was struggling with because I didn't make it even. Here's the final result. Let me know what you think. Leave a like and subscribe so you know when I'm posting.